So now let's see how we can go around and move out one of the announcement onto the top inside of Google Classroom. So you can see that I have a bunch of announcements, but let's say what I want is I want this particular announcement to be on the top for my students to see. In that case, what I can do is I can go around over here and click on the three dot button over here and then click on move to top. Once I do that, what happens is that this particular post will be moved to the top right here, just like this, as you can see. So all of the other posts right here, that is the announcement, will just be after that. So let's say I want to move this to the top, then what I can do is I can go around and click on the three dot button over here again and click on move to top. And once I do that, what happens is that this particular announcement will move to top, as you can see right here. So this is at the top and this is at the top as well, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can go around and move out the announcements to top in Google Classroom to make it visible. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.